Hello friends, this is Raite Ankita Mukunda working as assistant professor in chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj Nasik. In last video lecture, we have seen the concept of stereochemistry of isomerism, classification of isomerism, concept of chiral and achiral carbon and also example. In isomerism and diastereomerism, an application of stereochemistry are explained in this last video. In short, in isomerism means a mirror image and diastereomer means a not mirror image. In this video lecture, I will talk about the concept of axial and equatorial bond in cyclohexane and also conformation of polysubstituted cyclohexane and 6-member ring with sp2 carbon. sp2 means a hybridization and energy profile diagram. The first is axial and equatorial bond in cyclohexane. Axial is denoted as a pink color and equatorial are denoted in a blue color as shown in figure. Axial means the 6 axial bond, one on each carbon, are parallel, alternate up and down. And also equatorial bond, there are 6 equatorial bond, one on each carbon, come in 3 sets. The two parallel lines, each set is also parallel to ring bond. Equatorial bonds alter between sides around the ring. And completed cyclohexane as shown in this figure. 6 hydrogen is axial and 6 hydrogen are equatorial. Conformation of polysubstituted cyclohexane and 6-member ring with sp2 carbon. Chair conformation. In a chair conformation, the 12 hydrogen atom in chair conformation of cyclohexane can be divided into two groups. 6 of hydrogen are equatorial and another 6 hydrogen is axial as shown in this figure. The chair conformation, bond opposition and steric strain are minimum. There, CH bond means a carbon hydrogen bond are perfectly staggered. Bond opposition are steric strain is minimum. Hydrogen atom or adjacent carbon atom have enhanced space from their accommodation. Sum of van der Waals is 2.5 angstrom. There as a axial and equatorial is H hydrogen. H means a hydrogen atom on adjacent C atom means a carbon atom are separated by 2.3 angstrom. 2.3 degree. Steric strain is minimum. Chair conformation is minimum and hence it is a more stable or most stable. In a boat conformation, the boat conformation suffer from two strains. In a boat conformation from cyclohexane, 6 hydrogen are equatorial and 4 hydrogen are axial and 2 hydrogen are FP. FP means a flagpole. The suffer from two strain. First is a bond opposition strain. CH bond. C is a carbon and H is a hydrogen bond on the sides are eclipse, and FP flagpole interaction distance between two flagpole hydrogen is 1.84 angstrom. Distance required is 2.5 angstrom. These two strain makes a boat conformation highly strained. It has 29.71 kg per mole more energy than chair conformation. Therefore, boat conformation is less stable than chair conformation, and thermodynamically calculation is 0.1 and 0.2%. It is a 1 or 2 moles per thousand. It is an unstable conformation of a cyclohexane to the torsional strain among axial hydrogen due to van der Waals strain causes by crowding between the flagpole hydrogen. Van der Waals strain, non-bonded atom or group that join to each other, that about the fair apart of some their wander walls radii attract each other, if a bright in closer together repel each other, some crowding together accumulated by van der Waals strain. Next is a twisted boat conformation. Less torsional strain as compared to boat conformation. Flagpole hydrogen are always from each other. Carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 5, carbon 6 become non-planar. Energy content 6.696 kg less than boat but 23.02 kg more than chair, therefore more stable boat but less stable than chair. Next is a half chair conformation suffer from angle strain. It has 46.04 kg more energy than chair conformation, maximum energy content than other conformation. There is less stable. Stability of conformation of a cyclohexane in a decreasing order: chair, twisted boat, boat and half chair. The atropo isomerism means the retention restriction of a rotation of a pi bond, means chair is not easily converted at a room temperature of a boat. If trans to cis not possible because C double bond C at a room temperature, their pi bond that interconverted is not possible for conversion of trans to cis. In a cyclohexane, more stable chair conformation because angle strain and also dipole moment. Isolation of any conformation of a CH, means a carbon hydrogen, is not possible because the average energy contained carbon hydrogen is more than suffer to overcome that some barrier. There exists a dynamic equilibrium between different conformation of a carbon hydrogen. Chair, twisted boat, boat and half chair. It is an energy profile diagram. Boat energy is 29.7 kg per mole. TB means a twisted boat is a 23.02 kg per mole, and HC is a half chair 46.04 kg per mole. C is a chair. TC means a twisted chair. TB means a twisted boat. B is a boat. And also is a energy profile diagram. You should understand each and every concept, and here I will going to prepare this video series of stereochemistry. I will stop here. You watch this video. I hope to understand the concept of stereochemistry. Thank you so much. See you in next video lecture.